unplug the gray one and plug it back in. The first time I did this, it gave me an immobilizer warning on the dash, and the ignition did not unlock. Second time, I think it still gave me the immobilizer warning. Third time, it just showed the key symbol, just as if that popped up right there. Bike was ready to go. You turn it, away you went. With further research, I found an article where a Kawasaki online tech support from Kawasaki USA told one of their dealer mechanics to hit the ignition with a rubber mallet. So I hit mine twice, and it's been working ever since. I haven't had a problem.